Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can take a screenshot with OBS. So let's get started. If you want to take screenshots directly in OBS Studio, you can do it by setting up a simple keyboard shortcut. First, open OBS Studio and click on Settings. Go to the Output section and change the output mode to Advanced. Then open the Recording tab and look for the recording path. This is the folder where OBS saves your recordings, and it's also where your screenshots will be stored. If you'd rather save your screenshots somewhere else, click Browse and choose a different folder. Next, open the Hotkeys section from the left side menu. Use the search bar at the top and search for Screenshot. Find the option called Selected Source, then click the empty box next to it and press the keyboard shortcut you'd like to use. After choosing your hotkey, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now return to the main OBS window and select the source you want to capture. Make sure the source is visible and active. If it's hidden, click the eye icon next to the source to make it visible. Once everything is set up, simply press the hotkey you assigned. OBS will instantly capture a screenshot of the selected source and save it automatically to your recording folder. You can repeat this anytime you need to capture a high-quality image without interrupting your recording or stream. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.